Hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's see today's problem. Count numbers containing 4. So we'll be given a number n, written the count of total numbers from 1 to n containing 4 as a digit. Okay. So what we simply want to do is, for example, if we have n is 9, right? So what we want to simply do is we want to iterate from I equal to 1 to 9, right? Or maybe we can take this as 4. But let's say 1 to 9. Let's make it simple. Okay. We want to find out from between these range how many digits contain 4. Okay, so as we know that, right, from 1 to 9, there will be only one digit which will contain 4. Okay, so we need to return the count of numbers who has 4 as a digit in them. Okay, so that's what we have to do. So it's an easy category problem. So for example, let's say, and now how we will find out that a number contains 4 digit or not, right? For example, let's take this number, right? So the given range was n was equal to 150. Okay, now we come to number 141. Okay, now how we'll find out, right, whether, so this number we know that it contains 4, but in the code, how we'll find out, right? So simple, what we're going to do, so we'll take the number, we will take the remainder of this number, remainder equal to, right? So remainder of what? Whatever is the number, for example, temp, right? Temp contains 141, right? Temp contains 141. So simply we are going to first take the remainder of 10. Okay. If this remainder, so what will this remainder of 10 will give us? It will give us this digit. It will give us this digit. So we are going to check if remainder equal to 4, will then increment the count. Okay. And we will break. We'll break from this because we have already found a number. For example, we have already found 4. Okay. We need not check. For example, now we cannot break here because it is not 4, right? So what we're going to do, so once we found out that the remainder, right, it is not 4, so simply what we're going to do, we are going to divide the number 141 by 10. So simply 10 divide by 10, right? So what will happen if I divide this by 10? It will give me 14, 1414, right? It will give me 1414 after I divide by 10. Okay, so now we come again in the while loop and we'll check. Now 10 contains what? 14, right? Now we're going to simply do mod 10, right? So what will mod 10 give us? Mod 10 will give us this 4, the last digit. It will give us this 4. Okay, and simply what we're going to do, now we are going to check if it contains, yes, the remainder contains 4. Okay, so we are going to increment the count and we'll break. So we are done checking for this number because we have already found. So we need not check, we need not go ahead and check the further digits, right? Because we in a number we want to find out whether there's 4 or not. So we are done for this number and we'll proceed with the next number, that is 142. Okay, so this is the intuition behind solving the problem. If you see here, the time complexity is O of n log n. So here definitely it will take O of n log n, and space complexity is O of 1. Okay, so this is an intuition. I'll request you before going to the code to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. I'm going to show the Java code first. For like Java and C++ code, both are same in this case. Okay, so let's quickly write a for loop int I equal to, let's for simplicity take I equal to 1. Okay, and then we'll have a count variable as well. See, count equal to 0, right? Now simply what we're going to do, we are going to take this I into temp because we want to iterate through each digit of temp, right, in order to find 4. Okay, so what we're going to do, while temp is greater than 0, okay, and then simply what we're going to do, remainder equal to temp mod 10. So this will give us the last digit, right? For example, if this is 141, right, this is going to give the last digit, remainder will contain. Okay, now we are going to check here if remainder equal to 4, then simply increment the count, right, and break, because we don't want to check for the remaining digits of 141 or whatever is the temp, right? If remainder is not 4, then simply we are going to divide. We are going to divide the number by 10. So that what it will give us, for example, this case, right, the remainder was not 4. So we divided by the number by 10. So what it gave? So it gave us this 14. So that this number is gone. Now this is last digit and we'll check for this digit. Okay. So temp, and again, if it will come here till this will run till while loop, right? Till temp is not equal to 0. Okay. And here again, it will check for the last digit remainder. So if it is, we are going to increment the count, else we are going to break. And yeah, if we found, we are going to break it. Okay. So here, simply we have to return the count. Okay, done. So this is a program, this is a code, and C++ code is also the same because this is a basic programming. Okay. Yeah, go to output. Okay, the test cases are processed. Okay, we got the output. If you see, right, what is the time complexity? N is here, then this, right, this will take log n basically, because we are in each iteration, if you don't find the remainder as 4, so we are dividing the number by 10 again. So it will take log n. So we are getting the time complexity of n log n. Thanks for watching. I hope you have got the solution. Please subscribe to my channel. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.